Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Google Play Games on Windows 10 and 11, and you do not need any emulators or any third-party softwares to do this. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Launch your browser and just search for Google Play Games on Windows, and it should come up. Now the first link that comes up, click on it, which is this one. I will leave the link in the description below. Okay, so once you see this, click on download, and let's save this on my desktop. Okay, and once the installer is saved on the desktop, I'm gonna double click on it and click yes. Okay, now this is going to take a few seconds. Okay, so now it's installing, and this should take a few minutes to complete. It's a big file. Okay, now installation has completed and I see this icon on my desktop. Now it's going to ask me to sign in to my account. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account, and that's the same as your Gmail. And if you do not have one, just sign up for one, it's free. Okay, so it launched a browser, and that's where I entered my information, and now it's telling me I am signed in, so I'm free to close the browser. And once I close the browser, I'm back to application, and I'm gonna click looks good. That's my account, and I'm gonna say looks good and accept, and I'm going to read the privacy agreement and click finish. And now I am logged into the application. Now here are all the games that are available for me to install and play. And here's my library. It's empty right now, and that's all the games I could play. So let's go ahead and install one of these games and try to play it. So I'm going to do this one. It's 1945 Air Force airplane games, and I could read about it. It's rated as 4.7 and all the other information. So let's hit install and just wait for it to install. Now once you install this Google Play Games, it might ask you to restart, so you need to restart your laptop one time. Okay, so let's click on play, and it seems like it's loading now, and it's gonna ask me for some access right. I'm just gonna say continue, and now I am going to play the game. Let me minimize the other window. So now it's asking me to write my game name, so I'm just going to say test1, accept, and I'm gonna select something, choose this, and play. Okay, so the graphic looks amazing. It's just like playing on a phone, and I could move this with my mouse, left click and hold, and it seems like it's really good software. And I guess Google just came up with this recently, and it's in beta version, so it's in testing version. And I guess to stop this, all you have to do is close this, and you would go back to the application. Now they are asking you for some feedback, so I'm gonna say excellent for this game, and let me just close it for now. If I go back to my library, I would see all the games I have installed, and going back to the main page. And that's all I wanted to cover in this video. Thank you for watching.